A very good morning to everyone. How are you all doing? Do you know why I have bought this cycle today? Because I want you all to go on cycling. Try to go on cycling or maybe go on walk. I'm sure you are fed up sitting at home. It's been a long time, but it's a difficult time. It's okay, it will pass. So, today's lesson, let's move further. So, as I was telling, let's move further. Today, we will be revising the points which we have just done last 2 days, simple present tense and simple past tense. This is a recap video so that those who have missed some point or have some confusion, we can just work over it. Simple present tense, it works on habit or routine, and it works on universal truth. As already told, when we do something repeatedly, that is called as simple present tense, because that is our habit, our routine. So today we will learn how to write our routine. I'm sure you have not written your routine ever. We will see a routine of a boy today, and then we will try to write our own routine. So let's see. We are going to talk about a boy named Rohit, and let's see what is his routine. Rohit gets up at 7 a.m. He has a bath, then he has breakfast. He leaves the school at 7:45 a.m. He goes to school by the school bus. In the school, he studies till 2 p.m. He reaches home at 2:15 p.m. and has lunch. He rests for some time and finishes his homework. In the evening, he plays with his friends. After dinner, he goes to bed at 9:30. So this is a daily routine of a boy. In this, you must have noticed that this is about a singular noun. So we have added s to each and every verb, right? So here, points to consider. Words like gets, goes, has, leaves, studies, rests, reaches, finishes, plays are the verbs which are used with singular nouns. Otherwise, these verbs are get, go, has, leave, study, rest, reach, finish and play. So as I was telling, with singular nouns like he, she, it, Ram, Sham, Siya and here Rohit, we add s or es to the verb. Whereas when the noun is plural or we have pronouns that are plural, I, we, you, they, men, dogs, maybe flowers, something that is plural more than one in number, the verb remains unchanged. Clear? I hope you all remembered this. So now let's compare both the numbers. When I talk about numbers, I'm talking about singulars and plurals. This was the one which we have just read about one person. Now let's see when I talk about more than one. So here I was talking about Rohit. Now I'm going to talk about Rohit and his brother. So when I talk about two people, they become they. Now you see all the yellow words. I have changed them. They have changed in their way. As Rohit gets up at 7 a.m., they get up at 7 a.m. He has a bath, they have a bath. Then he has breakfast, they have breakfast. In place of leaves, it is leave, goes, go, studies, study, reaches, reach, right? Rests, rest. Because here, as already told, I, we, you, they, verb remains unchanged. So we are not changing the verb here. Clear? I'm sure with this example, now you're clear how actually it works. So now we will go to the next point, simple past tense. Activity is already done or the activity beginning and ending over. The point of time when we are talking about a particular activity is already finished. So now let's consider the same words: get, goes, has, leave, study, rest, reach, finish, play are the verbs which are used with the subject. These verbs will change their form to second form of verb when they are used with simple past tense. So let's see what they become. Now can you see? Get changes to got, go changes to went, have had, leave left, study studied, rest will remain rest, reach reached, finish finished, play played. Now we will see the same example we have just done about Rohit and his brother. Now let's see how does it change when it becomes in simple past tense. They, in place of get, it becomes got, have had, leave left, go went, study studied, reach reached, right? Rest rest, finish finished, play played. I'm sure, my dear students, you are clear now how both the things happen. If you have any confusion, please watch it again. Don't worry. If you have any confusion, please do tell us, do contact with us. Your homework will be you have to write your daily routine. Okay? Bye. Take care. See you soon.